The first stages of human thought brought out the idea that there were many gods, the natural outcome of a life which experienced many kinds of misfortune and difficulties. As there were many gods, so there were many devils or evil powers. But as the understanding of man grew, he began to realize that there could not be so many powers, since the cause back of everything must be a unity, else it could not exist. More than one power would indicate a universe divided against itself, and this kind of a universe could not hold together. However, it has taken a long time to come to this conclusion, and in the stages between many weird ideas have been formulated and believed in. At first there were many gods and many devils, but as thought progressed, this was narrowed down to one god and one devil or evil power. Duality has been believed in since time immemorial, and indeed is still believed in by many. By duality, we mean a belief in more than one power back of all things. Ernest Holmes, The Science of Mind, Complete Edition, page 33c. Many Gods, read by Rich Jarvis, RScP of prayersradio.com.